As the journey draws to a close, this final mile montage captures shared moments from the Great Western Adventure, thousands of kilometres, places, people and memories along the way. With Serenity, Loki and I now heading for home and the final stretch underway, we like to take a look back and share our memories with you before the whole journey wraps up. We hope you enjoy.
One last sunrise paints the sky. Morning whispers one goodbye. Dusty roads and endless plains now live forever in my frame. Serenity has carried me across the land so wild and free. Every kilometer, every bend, a memory I'll always treasure, friend. The road may end beneath my wheels, but not the way this journey feels. Some adventures never fade. They're stitched into the hearts they've made. It's the final day of my great western adventure. Another born nomad, grateful and free. With Loki riding right beside me. The greatest view was the journey itself for me. HappySnapping through the moments, every sunrise, every smile. Though I'm heading home tomorrow, the road will always call my heart a while. We found beauty in the silence, ocean cliffs and desert skies, friendly faces, campfire laughter, wonder shining in our eyes. From tiny towns to open highways, southern stars above each night. Every photo tells a story. Every memory feels just right. Home is waiting on the horizon, family, friends, and familiar places. But part of me stays on those highways, in wide open skies and endless spaces. 'Cause every road has changed me, every mile has helped me see. The greatest adventure wasn't where I traveled, it was who I became along the way. It's the final day of my great western adventure. Another born nomad, heart still free. Serenity carried every dream, and Loki shared each memory. HappySnapping one last picture. One last sunset fades from view, until the next adventure calls us Australia. I'll be back to you. The engine rests, the memories don't. The road ends here, the dreaming won't. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, keep happy snapping.